guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this Root and Roam box that I won in a giveaway on Instagram. I'm super excited to try this. I had actually never heard of the subscription box before, but it is a home decor based subscription box, and one of the people that I follow on Instagram was giving it away and I was selected as a winner. So I'm super excited to be filming this and show you guys what I got in this box. For the first time I think in my whole life on YouTube, I'm actually doing a true unboxing where I haven't opened it. So I do have scissors here to cut it open, and we're gonna show you what I got and my impressions of it. So never cut towards you, and what am I doing? Cutting towards me. Okay, so opening it up, you guys can see there is a card and some handwritten stuff, and there's tons of warnings. I hope that's not too loud. I'm super excited, so I'm gonna dig into this. Super cute. So it does come with these super cutely decorated cards with a handwritten note, and there's another little handwritten thing in here. So they sent something else here that has a handwritten note. I told them that I was going to be doing a video and posting about this, so they sent something else with a handwritten note. That is so sweet. Okay, so the first thing that was in the handwritten like box thing is this little packet plate, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love stuff like this. I saw this on another, I watched a couple unboxings, so I knew what I was getting. This is Daily Affirmations, and I think this is so cool and so special. They just have different affirmations on them, and I think this is so cute. I will put them in my office. The lady that I was watching said that she was gonna make like a collage of them, so that is so special. Super excited about that. It's always nice to have affirmations, especially in our office. That's where most of our affirmation things are. You guys can't see it in this video, but we have a letter board, and I was putting cute stuff on it, and now it says Sweet Home Alabama because Jacob took care of that. So that's the first thing in this box. The next thing in here is also in a cute little, everything's so cutely packaged. This is why I don't do unboxings, because my thoughts are all over. Ooh, this is Orange Grove by Our Farmhouse. Oh my gosh, yes, Arthur knows. This smells absolutely amazing. It's a little candle. I love anything lemon, orange, citrusy. I love that, and this is so cute. This is going to get burnt as soon as I get done filming. Thank you guys so much. So there's some more little pamphlets and stuff like that in here, so I'm gonna read over those really quick. So I think that the theme of this box is simple pleasures, and it's basically just to have you relax at home. And if you guys have been following me since we moved into this house, I have really been trying to make our house as homey and comfortable as possible, so I'm super stoked that I won this box specifically. I'm already seeing stuff on top that I'm super stoked about. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this. This is a room spray. It is grapefruit lemongrass. Perfect, like I was saying earlier. I absolutely love anything citrusy. I sell Scentsy, so I always have house sprays and stuff like that, but this is going to go perfectly in our house because, like I said, I'm always spraying stuff. I'm gonna do a little spray test right here. Oh, you guys, that is so good. That's so cozy. It's not overpowering. It's really light, and I'm super stoked about this. I'm probably gonna keep this maybe even in our bedroom. I'm not sure. We spray stuff all over, but this smells so good. Definitely am excited about this product. So there is no description in this. I don't know if I'm just missing over it, but there's no description of what these things are, so I'm going off of my brain, and if you guys can't tell, I'm not very good at decorating houses, but this is the next thing that I saw, and I'm in freaking love with this. It's like this wooden decor piece that I'm gonna hang, and it says Grace at the bottom. If you guys know anything about our home, our living room has, and our kitchen too, has like a wood theme, a wood, white, and gold, and I'm gonna have Jacob hang this as soon as he gets home because super excited about this. I absolutely love that. I'm so excited. I think that is just perfect, and it goes perfectly in our home, so I'm really excited about that too. Okay, I think we're getting towards the end of the box here. The next thing that I have here is this little coat hanger. We just bought something similar for our door, next to our door, but we can hang this in our coat closet. I think it's super cute. Like I said, it does go perfectly with our theme in our living room. Super cute. Love this. I just thought that we just bought that one, but really excited about this too. I think we'll probably hang it in our coat closet. Perfect for the little coat things. Maybe on the back of the door. I'm not sure, but super cute. Guys, I'm done. On the back of this card, it has what everything was. So the wall hooks are reclaimed wall hooks. The hand-painted Grace wooden stand bead, or bead stand. Ooh! Hand-painted Grace wooden bead strand, which I love. The next thing that we have here in this, I've got to finish unboxing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You're gonna see the reflection of my filming setup, but it says, slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures in life. And it's super freaking cute, you guys. I'm in love with this. That is so cute. This whole box is like curated to people who have a similar style to me, it seems like, because all these things are completely on brand with my they're like completely perfect to what I want. And then the handcrafted essential oil room spray was handcrafted by Texas Handmade Suds. So that's so cute. I am so stoked that I won this box, you guys. I have never heard of a home decor subscription box, but you know that I'm a sucker for a good subscription box. And this one pairs perfectly with the whole aesthetic that we're going for our home. So if you are someone who's like me and going for a similar aesthetic for your home, or you like these pieces, definitely check them out. I will leave their Instagram and their website in the description box below for you to go check them out. I was not paid or asked to make this video. Like I said, I just won this in a giveaway, and when they messaged me to say that I won, I let them know that I was going to be doing a video unboxing and sharing it because I was so excited. So yeah, I'm so thankful that you guys watched this, and I hope that you check them out if you are someone who is looking to decorate your home as well. Again, their information will be down in the description box below, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye!